I am Tacey Turner, the Services and Projects Manager for Diversity Resource International, and we helped facilitate a workshop called Improving Lives and Health Outcomes for Ethnic Minorities with NHS Sussex. So this event was really for NHS Sussex to present back to communities who have been, over the past 3 years, sharing their lived expertise with the NHS about their healthcare experiences and the outcomes they've been having with it.
I think the experience today is very, very positive, very rewarding, because they have the opportunity to speak about their experience, sharing the success, but also sharing where they felt they've been let down by service provider. So I think this consultation process was very important because they felt their voices are heard, their experience is listened to, and they have hope that the next step is going to be respond to some of the needs they've been identified. And I think to see Diversity Resource International as a community-led organization leading in this consultation, that will give us the trust on the outcome of this workshop.
Well, I'm Milo. I'm here representing with my colleague Pierre, Together South. We absolutely have loved being at this at the event today and hearing DRI and hearing the other representatives speak from the various community groups and some various NHS groups as well. And we've been really happy with the space given to allow for feedback and communication. Absolutely fantastic event. It's given us loads of room to connect with other organizations and people in the local area, which has been fantastic. And a brilliant event and really fantastically organized.
I think today's experience was good because a lot of people voiced their own experience using the NHS service. And this is a good time for people to come together to tell directly to the NHS how they feel about it and the experience that hopefully this will be changing the way it's been working and improve the inequalities in the NHS services.
I really look forward to the NHS committing to always kind of continuing that conversation with the community. So when they are making improvements behind the scenes, to then reach out again to those communities and say, here's what we've done, what else is there? I think that's a really great thing that they did, and I look forward to more events like it.